Dexscreener is one of the platforms that you can use to find memecoin to trade. On Dexscreener, thousands of memecoin will be listed on this particular platform. And if you can use this platform correctly, you know, to this platform, you could find good memecoin that can make you money that you can buy. And when they promise to make money off it. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use this particular platform. I've been using this platform for over a year now. I know how it works. I know everything about it. So, guys, before we get right in, you go to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Really, I say this now is one of the platforms that you can use to find main coin. The other platform like Pop.Fob, Asium, and others, but I still stick to this because it's one of the earliest platforms. So on this screen now, as you can see, this side is where you get to see the watch list, the outcomes to your watch list, new pairs, gain and loser, and all those stuff. I'm not going to bore you with the unnecessary stuff. I'm going right straight to the main things that you need. So on this place, you can see the last 24 hours. It's where you get to see the top coins. Coins have been listed in the last 24 hours. Here you can see coins have been listed in the last 6 hours, last 1 hour, and last 5 minutes. So you can try to check this and you're going to look up and going to pick up coins that have been listed in the last 6 hours. I'll be doing one in the last 6 hours. Get. So on this place, you're going to see the trending coins. You can put it in 5 minutes to see the coins that have been trending in the last 5 minutes. And this coin that was created over a year ago, as you can see, thing is currently trending. Get. So you can toggle it to see the older coin and to see the most recent coins. And here you can see the top coins that's currently doing well in terms of volumes, transactions, and other stuff. And here you can see the new pairs, which are the coins that are created recently. So you can see, you can put it on newest. You see the newest coins like 1 second. Let me move this. You can see 8 plus 9 seconds, 30 seconds. I don't recommend you trade coins that are recently created because most of these coins are often scams. You get. It is this phase that most of the scams do occur, you get, because most of them you see that the liquidity is not locked and all those stuff. So if you want to trade coin, at least in the last 6 hours, last 24 hours, coin I really say in the last 24 hours, those are actually good coins because those coins are kind of have some kind of community. Liquidity would have been locked, and we know that we people have invested in those coins, not those coins that is requested recently that oftentimes you get scam. If I want to trade memecoin, this is what I will do. I'll click on this that say Peters. I'm going to click on this all platform. I'm going to click on Solana because this is most popular um blockchain and this is where all the funds do go to. I'll click on save. After that, I will just leave this and click on apply. So if I do this, it's going to load up and it's going to pick up all the coins that will be listed on Solana. What I would basically go through is and look for the coins that are currently trending at the moment. You get those coins that are less than 1 million market cap. Those are the coins that we're going for. See this particular one, DJT, is at 1 million market cap. Mine so is at 120 market cap. Though this one was created about 1 year ago, I don't know why it's currently trendy, but I'll go for these ones that are recent. So I'm going to open them in a new tab. Then I'll go through a little bit to see if there are anyone with smaller market cap. And then all I will simply do is open a new tab. You get. So also you can click on this check button. You get. It's going to pick up only those ones that has profile for me. So see this particular one. I'm going to open this in a new tab. So what I'll be doing is simply going through those particular ones and finding reasons for me to buy this particular coins. You get, it's not just for you to see the coins and buy, but you should ensure that you're not the only one that will be buying this particular coin. There'll be other people buying into these coins too, and the coins are not locked. So the first thing you check is to see if this liquidity is locked. You get, as you can see, showing liquidity lock right here, which is actually a very good sign. But there are websites that you can use to check. You get, other things you should probably do is okay. I'm going to put this in 5 minutes time frame before I am doing it. Put it in 5 minutes time frame and check the chart and ensure that it is not both. You get, as you can see, right, the chart is going up, going down, going up, going down, which is actually very good. You get, this shows that there are real people buying into this particular coin. The main thing I will do is to click on this filter button and put, let's say, greater than 1K dollars to see that people who are putting money into this particular trade You can see that people are putting up to $100 or more into this particular coin, and this is actually a very good indication you get that there are people buying into this particular coin, people taking profit. So after this, you need to do is to look for reasons for you to buy. You get reason for you to buy. Before you go buy this coin, you can check their Twitter page to show that Twitter page is active. And secondly, you wait for what? For pullback. You get. So if you've been watching my videos before earlier when I was making video on this channel, if you want to buy meme coin, you don't buy at this particular place. You can see right, do not buy at this particular place. This is because this is actually a psychological level. You observe, you know that a lot of people doing sales at this place. You get this is because there are people that bought when the price was much lower. You get 500 market see 500K market cap, 1 million market cap are actually what psychological levels. At these levels are where people do take profit, you get. Allow people to take profit. So as you can see, when you go to 500K market cap around this year, people will sell it off. That's why you see massive sales at this place. People will take profit at this place. If it is being able to break this particular level, you get go to 600K market cap, you should wait. You get if people there are people that take profit, but if it is able to break this particular level, certainly that is going to 1K, 1M, you get. So before you buy this coin, you should wait for reversal. You get wait for reversal, and once it reverses, you get find a good entry there. You can potentially go into the coin. So this is what I was saying. This was at this particular place. These people bought this coin. At this particular place, as you can see, when the coin come to 70K, people took profit. So it's still going up again. So you can enter this place, and once you get to 70K market cap, you take profit off it. This is how it works. So guys, this memecoin trading is quite easy. You get it's not that difficult. You just have to know what you are doing. Buy at support levels. You get buy at your support level 500, 400K market cap, comes to 1M or 700 market cap. You take profit. This is how it works. You get so for you to buy this coin, you need to have Solana. You get so you can buy Solana from um any exchanges. I already made a video on how to fund your wallet. You get, I'm going to link that video in the description below to watch that video. So I will go into the next coin to show you guys. Okay, these particular coins you can see has no volumes. You can see in the 5 minutes, the volumes are very small, and this coin is actually going down to zero, so no volumes. It's naturally a very good coin for you to buy because if you buy this coin might go down to zero. You get this coin might go down to zero because uh, Memecoin, the life cycle of Memecoin is very simple. Memecoin are not utility coin. Memecoin are meant to do what? Are meant to pump. Once they go up to their apex, what they do next is to go down and they slowly die off again. So as you can see, this particular coin, and see where it gets here is dying or people have lost interest and the coin it go down. It gets so but you can keep it in your watch list and wait and see if it decides to go, if you start seeing momentum of it going up, then you can think of buying. If you check this particular coin and this particular coin, the chart look different. You can see this some people buy, go up, buy, it's coming down and going up. You can see that people are still interested in this particular one. In the 5 minutes, you can say 5 minutes to the volume is 40K market cap. But if we check this, 5 minutes volume is just 5K market cap. So if you buy at this coin, I'm going to use it as exit liquidity. Exit liquidity means people that have already bought the coin or they get. So they're going to sell off the coin because most people are selling the coin. But if peradventure, maybe by next tomorrow, later, they see that this coin is trending again and there's a sign that is like it will still go up. You are seeing breach momentum, and you can potentially buy the coin. But at this place, I don't recommend you buy the coin. You get. So this particular next coin, and guys, I don't recommend you buy this code that I'm showing you. Get these codes are just for illustrations. Another thing is necessary that you should probably do. Okay, I see we check this plan in the last 5 minutes. We just only have the 5 transactions and 2 K volume, which is still not really very good. You get it? So what you should be doing is to put this coin in your watch list and wait to see if there is any break of trade to the upside. You get you know that this coin will go, but this coin is going down. Well, guys, this is actually how you can actually look for good coins, or I can use this coin to trade. you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. We respect all your questions. And see my next video. Peace out.